Roasted chickpeas are a great alternative to those non-healthy snacks. I'm going to show you how to make 3 different types of roasted chickpeas, but once you learn the techniques, your imagination can run wild. Let's start off with the salt and vinegar. It's really easy. You just need a can of chickpeas, some olive oil, salt, and vinegar of your choice. I like to use white balsamic vinegar, but any vinegar is great. So all you do is strain your can of chickpeas. You don't even need to peel off the skins. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then you're going to add the vinegar that you like. Let them sit in the vinegar for about 10 minutes just so they can soak it all up. Add your salt, mix it all together, and pour them out onto a foil-lined tray, making sure they're flat. And then you've got the oven preheated for 450 degrees, and let them roast for 30 minutes, but at the 15-minute mark, just give them a little shake to make sure they're roasted right through. And simply take them out of the oven, let them cool, and enjoy. Now let's do a roasted curry chickpea. Again, the technique is the same, but it's all about what you want to put on them. So strain your chickpeas, put on your 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and here is your curry mix. Just add 1 tablespoon of curry powder, cumin, and garlic salt, shake it all together, and then add that right into your mixing bowl. Mix it all together, lay them out on that foil-lined tray. The same thing, you preheated your oven to 450, put it on for 30 minutes, shake it up, and once they're done, they are amazing. Now the roasted taco spice chickpea is fantastic as well. You know the drill, but here is the key. This is the taco seasoning mix. So mix all of these items together and use 3 tablespoons of that taco seasoning. The nice thing is you'll have extra taco seasoning left over for other cooking. Put it in the oven, bake away, and there you have it. 3 different types of roasted chickpeas. Now don't forget, let your imagination run wild. If you like something a little bit sweeter, try maybe a honey and cinnamon mixture. So hit that subscribe button and ring that bell, and every new recipe will come straight to you.